As households gear up to make festive sweets, the demand for paneer and khoya soars, making these dairy products prime targets for adulteration. In recent raids across several cities, large quantities of tainted paneer, milk cake, and khoya have been seized and destroyed ahead of Diwali. Mixing in non-dairy substitutes or chemicals including milk powder, palm oil, starches or detergents to cut costs or increase volume is the most common type of adulteration seen in these products. In some unregulated units, workers prepare dairy products in unhygienic conditions, with contaminated water and outdated milk, increasing the risk of bacterial infections like E. coli and Salmonella. Experts warn that poor storage and lack of refrigeration further worsen contamination, allowing harmful microbes to multiply rapidly.
So we decided to give you, the consumer, an opportunity, a chance to see if your khoya and your paneer are adulterated or not. You can check it by yourself and it's not too complicated. All that you require is this iodine, which you can pick from any chemist shop. If you think that your source of khoya and paneer are adulterated, this is what you should be doing. Take a piece of paneer and put some iodine on it. The trick is that if it turns black, you know for sure that your khoya or your paneer is adulterated. Look at this. This is completely black. This is turned black. I'm going to give you an example by showing you something which I know is not adulterated. But why not give this a try? This is another piece of paneer and I put some iodine on it once again. Doesn't turn black. Take a look at this. The difference is for you to see. This is adulterated. It's turned completely black. This has not turned black. This is just taken the color of iodine. A similar experiment can be done with khoya as well. Again, a lot of adulterated khoya has been found in the market. Remember, it leads to consuming adulterated products like these, leads to digestive problems. Long-term consumption of these products can also in fact lead to kidney damage, and this is something that doctors are reporting on. Khoya again, I'm mixing it with iodine. Take a look at it. Doesn't turn black, which means this khoya also is not adulterated. But this paneer, look at the black layer that has come over it. This is what you should be extremely careful about. These are very common items during Diwali, like we've been telling you, very popular items, and that's how you can check whether your khoya and your paneer are adulterated. It has long-term impact on your health. Short-term impact would be some digestive problems, but if you consume it for a long time, it could actually make you very sick.
Doctors say prolonged consumption of such adulterated food can lead to liver and kidney complications. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable as the immune systems struggle to fight the toxic compounds present in fake dairy. Hospitals often see a spike in food poisoning cases during and after the festive season. Medical practitioners urge citizens not to ignore early symptoms like nausea, stomach cramps, vomiting, or a metallic taste after consuming sweets.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.